Hi everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Poorman.
I'm Mrs. Poorman, and today we're going to install a smart light switch.
In this particular case, we're going to be installing a GE light switch. I've used other brands before, but I have found that the GE one installs to the network very quick, and it's much easier to use. So let's take a look at what we did.
Before installing any electrical devices, use a tester to see if the wires are hot or not.
We need to ensure that the power to the light switch is off. Oh, it's completely dark.
Check one more time to ensure the power has been cut.
After pulling out the old switch, it will be a matter of connecting wires in the proper slots in the smart switch. Wires are inserted and the screws are tightened to hold the wires in place.
After all applicable wires are connected, the switch needs to be tightened into the wall box. That is all to do to install the switch before connecting it to your network. But first, you must turn the power back on.
In my case, before setting up a new device onto the network, I need to reconfigure the network to open it up to allow for new devices to be installed. Be sure to do that before you start working on this.
We use a Wink 2 hub to connect our smart devices. After opening the app, select to add a light switch, then choose the GE wall mount light switch. Then follow the instructions to connect the switch to your network. And then you can turn on a light.
Or use Amazon Echo to turn it off.
Alexa, turn off the bathroom.
And there you have it, another project done.
I'd like to point out on this particular project, as you may have noticed, I did not show details on how I wired the switch. There's a reason for that. For liability purposes, and I'm not a licensed electrician, I don't want to be responsible, unfortunately, for anything that you choose to do if you're not comfortable working with electrical wiring. So we strongly recommend that if you're not comfortable with following the instructions, that you contact an electrician to do the installation itself. Otherwise, the main point of this video was to show simply how quickly it can be done if you know what you're doing and you follow the instructions that are usually really well written. So that's all we have for today. We'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.